Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and it is a brand new month, which means a brand new series on my channel. I figured since last month I shared with you some plant-based meal prep ideas, that this month I would take mainstream recipes that use meat and make them meatless. So I'm starting off by making a meatless meatball recipe that is made with eggplants instead of any type of meat, and it's delicious. It's so easy to make too that I'm sure you're gonna love it. So if you guys love meatless Mondays or just want to incorporate more plant-based recipes into your lifestyle, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing I'm gonna do is saute my eggplants. So I've already chopped my eggplants into about 1-inch cubes. And then I have a pan here that's warming up. I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado oil to it and then saute my eggplants. So add my eggplants and then saute for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to kind of release some of that liquid. And that's it. All right, my eggplant is nice and cooked. It's been about 10-11 minutes. And now what I'm gonna do is take all my eggplant and put it in my food processor. And then we're gonna blend it really nicely. Okay, so I've got all my eggplant in here and I'm gonna just pulse it. All right, that looks good. Let me show you. Oop. All right, there you go. That is exactly what you want it to look like. And now I'm gonna add it to my bowl with a few other ingredients. Okay, so my eggplant is nice and smooth. And now to this, I'm gonna add a few other ingredients. I've got mainly breadcrumbs, Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. I've got a little bit of salt down there, a little black pepper, parsley, basil, minced garlic. And then because I wanted to keep this plant-based, I'm not using any regular cheese. Instead, I'm gonna use some nutritional yeast. And add this all to my bowl. And then I found that I don't actually have to use a binder like egg or anything, but sometimes I do if it seems to look a little dry. So I don't use an egg, but instead I'll use a flaxseed replacement. So we'll see how this one turns out. Give it a good mix. Ooh, it's hot. All right, that looks good. And you can see that it's nice and sticky already, so I'm not gonna have to use anything else. So I'm just gonna I have a little measuring spoon here, just so that all of the meatballs can be even. I take about a tablespoon, form it into a ball, and I wanna keep these pretty small. And that's it, put it on my baking tray. And then just keep going. And then I'm gonna bake these for about 20-25 minutes at 375. And then just check it, make sure that it's nice and golden brown. All right, welcome back. So I have my meatballs out of the oven and they're nice and hard and crispy on the outside. And what I'm gonna do is I just warmed up some marinara sauce. This is the Trader Joe's marinara sauce, so nothing special, just nothing that I added to it at least. So I warmed that up and I'm just gonna take the meatballs and dump it in the marinara sauce. And now you have yourself some meatballs and marinara sauce. Uh-oh. All right, that looks perfect. Just gonna garnish it with a little bit of cilantro. And that is it. That is your meatless meatballs. Okay, now for my favorite part, taste testing. Okay, let me cut one open so you can see the inside. Wow, it's like nice and still soft. Okay, I'm gonna blow on this, cool it down a little bit, and then give it a taste. That is good. Now, if you're looking for a turkey or beef meatball, this is not gonna taste like this. I will be honest, but it has the right texture. It's still very, very delicious, but it does still taste like eggplant, which I love, but it is definitely a healthier and perfect option for meatless Mondays, or if you're trying to just incorporate more plant-based recipes in your life. So if you guys love meatballs, if you like meatless meatballs, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.